I have this antique dresser that I started working on. I forgot to record. I didn't think I was going to do a whole lot to it, so I didn't plan on recording, but I think I'm going to record it. So these drawers that are out were a little loose. Some of them needed some glue. So I glued this tighter, and this side tighter, so it's not wobbling and squeaking around anymore. This one was falling apart. Glued it all up. It was cracked. Right here, you can see it's darker where the wood glue is. There's a crack in the bottom. This one was cracked. It was moving side to side. Glued it up. This one, the bottom is in really bad shape. The back's all busted off. It was too small. It's missing this whole back end. This whole back end is gone, so it's too small for this. So I'm gonna have to build a new one to go in there. Not build, I'm just gonna cut a new piece of wood of all my scrap wood over there. I'm not gonna do a whole lot to this, but I'm gonna try to spruce it up a bit with minimal work. Now, I don't think these pulls on any of these drawers are original. Pretty sure they're not original. Well, maybe they are. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to try to save them. I'm going to take them off, try to polish them up. Should look nice when I'm done. And I'm going to try and pop this off, polish that. That's definitely not original. This is one of the handles. You can tell that's all bent up. So this does need a little bit of work. I have this bag of drawer pulls, some of which are actual antiques. Some of which aren't. This one I think is an antique. I also have basic Walmart drawer pulls, which I think is what this is. I think this is modern. It looks modern to me. And doesn't really go with these handles. So I have some of these that I know are antique, and they look a lot better with these pulls, I think, with these handles. So I'm gonna use these pulls and these handles. Oh, I have a different style too. I think this one. I think I like this one. I'm going to use these, get rid of these, because I'm pretty sure these are modern. So there's this gunk all over these key plates. Tried getting it off. with the polish that I have. And that's the result. I don't know what it is. It's hard and gooey at the same time. So I'm going to soak them in soapy water. And then I'm going to polish everything with this. That's what I have downstairs. This is for my car. And this is what it looks like when they're done. This is our first time using this stuff. We really like it. It's designed to essentially refresh the existing finish. It hides scratches and minor blemishes, blends them in a little bit. We had to purchase a color that matched as best we could the existing color of the piece, which was cherry. This also gives the shine back to the existing finish a little bit and deepens the color, brings that color back. After we applied it with the steel wool, we waited 30 minutes to let it soak in and wiped it with a clean cloth. After waiting the 30 minutes, we applied this. It recommends using this when you're done with that restorer finish. This just polishes it up, hydrates the wood, I guess. I don't know a lot about it, but it did shine it up and gave the finish a good sheen.
This stuff we applied with a clean cloth and let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes to let it soak in. We did the insides of drawers too to rehydrate that wood. It also smells pretty good too. But after the 20 or 30 minutes is up, we took a clean, soft cloth and buffed it. And here's the finished piece. I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. I think it looks really good. I like the process that went into this. It was nice not having to sand anything, and I like that we kept the piece looking as original as when we got it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.